English sentences used in daily life conversation. Number 1. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? What do you want? What do you want? Please write down this address. Please write down this address. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. It is a strange thing. It is a strange thing. Could you show me your answer sheet? Could you show me your answer sheet? I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. Will you go there or shall I? Will you go there or shall I? How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? Do me a favor. Do me a favor. I like fairly hot tea. I like fairly hot tea. Is everything all right? Is everything all right? Can you turn the volume up? Can you turn the volume up? What do you think? What do you think? What did you succeed in? What did you succeed in? Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Your name is on the list. Your name is on the list. Not the least. Not the least. What is going on? What is going on? The advantages of this are many. The advantages of this are many. A lovely day, isn't it? A lovely day, isn't it? That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Where is your office? Where is your office? You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I like small talks. I like small talks. I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. He tells a lie. He tells a lie. Who is your boss? Who is your boss? Please subscribe my channel if you want to learn English.